What is up there, homies? It is your boy Justin Bassetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, as well as checking out my Theta Guardian node if you want to stake your Theta tokens, or my Elite Edge node if there's room if you want to stake your T-Fuel. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much T-Fuel passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Also, a huge shout out for our sponsor of today's video is Caleb and Brown. Just want to do a quick message for them, and then we go on to the video. Things that's hard to mimic is good quality service and customer service, and being able to reach out to someone in regards to your cryptocurrency. With Caleb and Brown, they'll be able to provide you that access, that opportunities, and information that a lot of people may need in the near future. So seeing here, we're going to look at a little bit more of this affiliate link that you can find down below in the description. As you can tell here, with Caleb and Brown, delivers a personalized and premium service to crypto trading. Each customer gets their own dedicated broker to contact at any time, getting the latest insights on crypto trends, guidance, and when you need it, or the initial introduction for my channel. Scrolling down a little bit more, things you can do: 24/7 customer support globally, industry-leading cold storage solutions, and unlimited free access to your personal broker offers peace of mind, whether you're trading as individual, company, trust, or self-managed retirement. Here are no joining fees, broker support, safe and secure, favorable pricing on assets, rapid trades, deep liquidity. Things going on to a little bit more, you can chat, message, call, as well as provide some feedback that is always welcome. I believe with Caleb Brown has the potential to help those who achieve certain financial or cryptocurrency goals. Check out Caleb Brown and definitely check it down below using the affiliate link. Thanks for the guys listening for this introduction, and back to the video. Thanks again for Caleb and Brown for sponsoring this video. So now going on to the news, starting here on X with Mitch Liu on December 6th of 2024. The implications of decentralized AI networks extend far beyond cost savings. When academic researchers can compete more effectively with commercial labs, it helps to ensure that AI development benefits from diverse perspectives and approaches. The reason why I'm mentioning this is because there's a huge disparity between huge AI labs and academic institutions, because to my knowledge, I believe that academic institutions need to fundraise X amount of dollars in order for their research to be complete and to be tested. They may not be able to find the funds for those costs, so then those ideas, that potential for unlocking other solutions, may not be solved because of the lack of funds from those researchers. And I believe with this update, the news that you'll see here, that Theta Network for those institutions to solve those type of problems that many people may not even realize. So continuing on with all the information on the next post, an insightful new op-ed from Theta CEO Mitch Liu was featured in Business AI, discussing how Theta levels the playing field in AI and allows universities to compete with better funded private companies. You can find the article right here. Go on the AI business, posted themselves. Commentary in the industry dominated by commercial AI labs, blockchain technology is allowing universities to get more cost-effective access to compute and allow them to compete. Going on to the actual information as well, and just for the record, it was posted this one on December 5th of 2024, how blockchain is leveling the AI playing field. Going into the highlights that I mentioned, AI labs are being vastly outspent. In the recent years, commercial labs have dramatically outspent academic institutions in AI research. In 2021, industry giants spent more than $340 billion globally on AI research and development, dwarfing the financial contributions from governments. For comparison, US government agencies, excluding the Department of Defense, invested $1.5 billion, while European Commission allocated around $1.1 billion to similar efforts. This enormous gap in spending has given commercial AI labs clear advantage, especially in terms of access to vital resources like computing power, data, and talent. With these assets, companies are leading the development of advanced AI models at the scale that academic institutions struggle to match. Industry AI models are, on average, 29 times larger than those developed in universities, showcasing the stack difference in resource and capabilities. Of course, basically saying wherever the money is, of course they're going to have a higher advantage because of that funding that they are able to have. So this basically says leveling the playing field, and hopefully Theta Network could be that potential key driver for this type of new update for the universities that we've seen before. However, new solutions are emerging that could help level the playing field. Distributed computing infrastructure built on the decentralized architecture powered by blockchain technology is beginning to offer researchers alternative paths to access high-performance computing resources at the fraction of traditional costs. These networks aggregate unused GPU computing power from thousands of participants worldwide, creating a shared pool of resources that can be accessed on demand. On non-decentralized network, recent developments in this space are promising. Several major research universities in South Korea, including KAIST and Yonsei University, have begun utilizing Theta Edge Cloud, their decentralized computing networks over 30,000 globally distributed edge nodes, for AI research, achieving comparable results to traditional cloud services at 1/2 to 1/3 of the cost. Their early success targets a viable path forward for academic institutions facing similar resource constraints. Kind of just reiterating, but now throwing real university names out there, that Theta Network is the catalyst, hopefully, for other universities to also reduce the cost for any kind of research that's trying to be implemented, at least in comparison to the other big traditional cloud services, as well as the cost, like we mentioned earlier. Academic research, by contrast, operates under different incentives. Universities typically publish comprehensive methodologies, open source their models, share detailed results including failed experiments, and subject their work to rigorous peer review. This openness allows other researchers to validate findings, build upon successful approaches, and learn from unsuccessful ones. When KAIST AI researchers recently developed improvements to Stable Diffusion open source text-to-image generative AI model for virtual clothing e-commerce applications, for example, they published a complete technical documentation, public domain training datasets, and methodology, enabling other institutions to replicate and enhance their work. The distributed computing networks now emerging could help amplify these benefits in academic research. As more universities gain access to affordable computing power, we're likely to see an increase in reproducible studies, collaborative projects, and open source implementations. Many South Koreans and other universities around the globe are already sharing their AI models and datasets through these networks, creating a virtuous cycle of innovation and verification. This combination of computational accessibility and academic transparency could prove transformative. When researchers can both afford and run ambitious AI experiments and freely share the results, it accelerates the entire field's progress. So basically saying not only you're saving cost, time. Well, technically you save time, which saves money, and then having these results you can share among other collaborations, partners, researchers. It enhances the overall outcome as to why these things are being created. So in my own opinion, as long as people aren't getting too selfish in a sense, it's going to just accelerate progress for solutions depending on what those problems are. Put some thoughts and comments down below what you guys think so far on this new updates with Theta Network and their partners and the overall problem that they are trying to solve. I do have some more information for you guys, so definitely stay tuned for that. So if you haven't yet, please hit that like and subscribe button. Continue on to other things that we've known before, but now just more solidified updates. Jared Kowal, it says, going to be here, blockchain, music, AI head of content and creative at Theta Network, says, great to work with this individual, Nick Trujillo, and the entire awesome team at the Golden Knights. AI chatbots in sports have arrived courtesy of Theta Network and Theta Edge Cloud. I mentioned this in a previous video, but now it's actually been released, so we're definitely going to do a quick demo as to how this is actually being used. Going on to a little bit more before going on to that as well. Just want to mention this individual says, thanks to Trading Places administration at Theta Discord for this. It says, here is the description. The Vegas Golden Knights announced today, December 6th of 2024, the launch of the interactive AI-driven chatbot as a customer service tool on vegasgoldenknights.com, powered by Theta Edge Cloud. The chatbot, named Sir Lancelot, kind of funny, was created using technology provided by Theta Labs, a proud partner of the Vegas Golden Knights. Now going on to the actual chatbot here on their page, like I said, all the links in this video you'll see down below. You can see here's the introduction. All you have to do is just hit agree to the terms, because I feel like once they use certain questions over and over again, or any other type of questions that are affiliated with the Vegas Golden Knights, they use it as part of their large language model data sets. So then when someone else potentially asks that question, it's already created that solution. So I'm just going to do a quick thing here with Theta Network, and it just says, great, ask them anything about the Vegas Golden Knights. We're going to talk about Theta and Vegas Golden Knights. How is the Theta Network being used by the Las Vegas Golden Knights? You can see here as well the solution or their answer. The Vegas Golden Knights utilize Theta Network's technology through a custom-built RAG enhanced chatbot, which is powered by the Theta Edge Cloud. This setup allows for efficient delivery, hockey-related news and updates. Theta's decentralized cloud infrastructure provides the computational power needed for AI tasks, enhancing the chatbot's capabilities and providing real-time information and engaging with fans. So just a quick overall question for those who want to play around with the chatbot, you're more than welcome to. Check out the links down below, in addition to checking out that Caleb and Brown referral link if you're trying to have someone point of contact to reach your certain financial goals, especially when it comes to Theta Network, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or TFIO tokens to my Elite Edge node. Those codes are down below, those addresses, or if you want to use a QR code if it's easier for you to stake, because either way helps out my channel, help out the Theta Network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much T feel passively as possible and utilize it however you want. On Theta Drop, open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Really, I'm looking forward to the new updates, guys, for anything Theta related. If you're trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Like I said, links down below, comment down below. Until the next Theta video, until the next Theta update, guys, it is your boy Justin Bassetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.